4. All right, and then we're doing personal, so hang out. We got lots to do. Lots going on. Lots. All right, guys, break 4. I still haven't hit a super. I've hit 4 reds and a plate. So it's time. This is the time. Uh-oh. Joey Wentz. Did you buy all 4 of them? Joey Wentz. I can't tell you how disappointed I was when I got that email and they sent me back my $16. They were like, we're sorry, but Phil bought them all. Black and white. Max. Yellow. Is that Rylan? Rylan Bannon. Yellow to 75. You guys are cracking me up in this chat. I wasn't doing that. I was reading the comments on the thing and I got caught doing it. I got stuck. Bo Bichette. Because the one dude said he was going to slap me, and then I had to see what the other people said about him, and they were all agreeing with him, and I was like, man. How are these people going to let him say he's going to slap me like that? I never saw the comment 6 years old. I never saw the comment till today, so I don't know what to tell you. Fado? Yeah, Alex Fado, black and white. That's funny. Franklin Kilome to 75. I bought something else, Phil. I bought something else from the Twin shop, but I'm not going to tell you what it was because I don't want it to get canceled. I really want it, so I'm not going to tell you what it was. Wander Franco. Hey, that's really funny. That's funny. You guys, stop. Phil skipped college. Suarez. Got a refractor. That looks like Florial, yeah? Esteban. Yeah, Esteban Florial. Nice card. I didn't pitch in college either. So another red. Man. Oh, wow. Look at that. Luciano. 1 of 5. That's a big card. All right. That's cool. Thanks, Phil. I got you a present too, but it's still on the way. It's probably 3 weeks out, I'm guessing. Ryan McKenna, and you can't get endless use out of it, but you can use it a lot. Mackenzie Gore. I need a back scratcher. Mateo Gill. Base auto. Mateo Gill. It's two of him we've hit tonight. I've hit a lot of the same autos. That's kind of a bummer. A new ornament. Is that Kybert? Yeah, Kybert Ruiz to 75. Moncada, black and white. My Fresca. Brian Anderson. What do you mean? Jordan Adams refractor. It's not late. What is it? 2 a.m.? That's nothing. Who's that? It's a Ray. Guzman. That's a Ranger, not a Ray. Yeah, I didn't expect these to take this long, so that's my bad. Max Scherzer. Reggie Lawson. Moncada? Yeah, Moncada. Goldschmidt. Nice card. It's a Cardinals card, though. That's weird. Why would you want me to sign a baseball? I've never been asked to sign. Actually, one time I was asked to sign a baseball. I was coming out of the Trop. It was about 99, maybe 2000. And I think they mistook me for a player. And they asked me to sign their baseball, and I told them I wasn't a player. And the little kid got sad, and the mom was like, he's just lying. I was like, I had a Rays hat on, I guess is what they thought, but Brandon Crawford, it was kind of weird. They would not mistake me for a player today. 20 years later, maybe like a bench coach or something. Alex Fado. DJ Peters, refractor. Adaman. I think that's our second orange Adaman. I'm almost certain of it. 7 of 25. Is that Dustin May? Dustin May? Luzardo, 299. Should still be an auto in here somewhere. Refractor, Luzardo. Nice card, Wander Franco. All right, this will be our auto, I hope. It's an orange. Big name, big name, big name. That is a big name. Can you guys know who that is? I think other than maybe Wander Franco, that's the best name you could pull, in my opinion. 25 out of 25, eBay 1 of 1. Julio Rodriguez. Very nice hit. That's a monster hit. That's probably your best auto in the product. Wander would be up there. Also, Luciano would be up there also. And I would say Wander's probably higher, but not by much. Not by much. How am I moving the card too much? It stayed exactly still. Aaron Judge. Yep, Julio. Yellow Bo Bichette. It's a nice card. 75. It's driving me crazy. I keep putting the regular cards on the bottom. That's a good question. That's a good question. But I think that Julio Rodriguez is probably better than Vladdy. I think. I'm not sure if he's selling better than Vladdy in this product because Vladdy would be a rookie in this, being as it's still a 2019. That's a good question. I didn't consider the rookies. I was only considering prospects. But yeah, I think I do. I think he probably sells better than Vladdy. I think it's probably pretty close. Jay Groom. Alec Baum to 99. I mean, you could probably tell if you just check eBay. You know, what does the base Vladdy auto outsell? Of course, it might be rarer too. That would take into account. So maybe do the oranges. You know, does an orange Vladdy auto sell better than an orange Julio? It'd be interesting. This is a nice hit right here. Jordan Alvarez. It's a nice card. Refractor. Is that Dylan Cease? Yeah, Dylan Cease. Vladdy does hit dingers. And I think he probably is going to be the better player at the end. But you never know. I mean, Julio has huge upside, but so does Vladdy. So, I mean, I guess it's really hard to compare them right now. Victor to 25. 23 of 25 on the Victor. That's a nice card, too. Kettle? No. Cabrian Hayes. That was so close. Corbin Burns. A rookie auto, Corbin Burns. 3 of 25. And Tristan McKenzie to 99. It's an orange auto, but, I mean, it's Corbin Burns, so... Fado again. Mackenzie Gore to 99. Urias. The Wind Surge. These would make really good cards to get autographed Royals. The paper. Eddie Rosario. I don't know if any of your guys are in here, but these would be really good cards. For sure. Acevedo. refractor. All right, guys, one more box, and then we can do the personals. 4 hours later. Wallpaper. I don't know. I don't dislike Wind Surge, to be honest with you. I don't dislike it. I mean, the Rays got a team called the Stone Crabs, you know. They're the what? The Stone Crabs. So, yeah. Amaya? He's a big dude. Amaya's a big dude. Yeah, he's definitely in here. I bet the chromes would look nice signed too, but definitely these papers. Helia Ramos, black and white. Cole Winn. Nate Pearson. Nice card. 52 out of 75, Julio. It's a nice card. Man, Sixto Sanchez is in everything. You're not going to have any trouble finding cards for that guy. Refractor, Joey Wentz. Rugi. Speaking of the devil, Sixto Sanchez to 99. Dane Dunning. Julio Pablo refractor. Gavin Lukes. DJ Peters, black and white. So we're still missing the last auto. And that's a monster. So which one's better, guys? Seriously, which one's better? What an ending. Would you rather have the gold Vladdy or the orange Julio? Man, what a 4-box break that was. Holy cow. Taylor Trammell. I mean, the Vladdy's got the rookie card logo. It's tough, man. It's a tough call. It was easier when it was hypothetical. Mitch Haniger. Monster break. Fantastic 4 boxes. MJ Melendez to 99. Hey, there you go, Greg. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Bryce Harper. All right, guys, that is that. Much, much, much better. 2 orange autos, 1 gold auto. 2 of those were just monsters. Black and whites, Harper. Some really nice cards in the black and whites. Helia Ramos, Jordan Alvarez, Jordan, Aaron Judge, Wander Franco, Dustin May. Some really, really Wander Franco again. Bo Bichette, Max Scherzer. Yeah, we crushed this break, that's for sure. Look at that Vladdy. Damn, that's a nice card. MJ Melendez. Julio Pablo. There's another. I don't know if I should. I'd probably just put the red out and leave that one off. Victor. Adaman. Garcia. Marco Luciano. I forgot all about that one. That's a monster card too. Holy smokes, we crushed this break, man. Our other autos were Mateo Gil and Corbin Burns. So Corbin Burns is 3 of 25. All 3 of those should probably be in top loads. I mean, holy smokes. I did actually know his dad played baseball. But his dad was not man. He was machine. I mean, he had a rocket from the outfield. Just a rocket. The greatest outfield arm I've ever watched play in my entire life was Vladdy Guerrero. Without question. That I've seen personally play. Vladdy Guerrero had the greatest arm. Just crushed it. Saw him hit 3 home runs one time. I mean, the guy was just a monster. Great break, guys. Great break.